Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the What Van Awards 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, please show your appreciation for your host today, Zoe Lyons.
So listen, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the 2018 What Van Awards?
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage the editor of What Van, James Dallas.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 2018 What Van Awards, the most coveted independent accolades in the UK's light commercial vehicle industry.
Yeah, so Allianz are one of the largest fleet insurers in the UK, and actually by being able to be at this event, it's a great platform for us to actually get closer to our customers and understand their needs and their challenges.
I mean, for Lightfoot, it's all about recognising and rewarding the drivers, which is quite unusual at these types of awards. Normally it's the management and the senior level. For us, it's about the drivers.
Warm welcome to the head of LCV and public sector from Alphabet, Dean Hedger.
Alphabet are delighted to be involved in sponsoring the What Van Awards this year. It's great to be associated with a magazine that represents commercial vehicle operators across every section of the marketplace.
Please give a warm welcome to the company director from Trucksmith, Emma Treble.
We're working on a project at the moment with electric vans. You know, they're with us now. You can't get away from electric vehicles, they're here. And so Trucksmith are working with a manufacturer at the moment, and next year we've got an electric conversion coming out, which is fantastic. It's really exciting. It's such a great opportunity.
From Sortimo, Ed Bishop.
We're seeing the trends then moving towards electric vehicles and trying to downsize their vehicles, and then people will be looking to try and make better use of those vehicles.
This event is obviously a great opportunity and a great visibility for us and connect with the industry. And What Van is about real people and real business in the real world.
I think Force can help the van sector use performance data to its advantage in terms of improving safety and efficiency, reducing fuel use. I think fuel use is really important for the sector to really focus on.
What Van Light Commercial Vehicle of the Year is the Volkswagen Crafter.